Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm imnagaraj-tech-sol. Today we discuss the HTML tutorials. The topic is HTML forms attributes. Already, I remember these things. Already we had discussed these things like before two classes. We discussed HTML forms definition and also syntax, even HTML form elements, text. So now we are discussing forms attributes. If anybody, what is the exact attribute of attribute? If anybody knows, ping me a message. So I'm discussing what is the attribute. Attribute is like, for example, in recent days, in real time experience, attribute what exact attribute. So just like I did a call someone, just like my friend. So me and my friend talking in the call. That time I'm clicking the open my phone, clicking the number, then submit the number, then automatically my SIM or whatever the Geo network will send a call. Then you pick a call, then I will talk to her or has whatever, male or female. So this process is called attribute. Just like automatically server connect the person, right? We don't know how the function connected, how the server connected, but I do call automatically other person pick my call. So in internally some functions is there, right? So these functions are called, we called a general way of function. As of now, same in HTML tutorials, logically, I'm entering some code like a username and password, submit it. Whenever we are clicking submit button, automatically the server action there in backend department, like whatever the web page you did develop, then automatically send a mail. So somebody is logging your page and open another web page. Unfunctionally, inner functions is there. These called attributes, right? So definition in HTML, in HTML, form attributes, form attributes is defined as the some as that some function is some functionality, some functionalities is here in the web server, then automatically opened another web page, or another web page are familiar to run backend support is called attributes. In HTML forms, some attributes is here like actions, some kind of attributes is here, where one is action, second one is a method, third one is a action, method, target, fourth one is a auto compile, auto complete, fifth one is a encrypted type, encrypted types. Just simply says action, method, target, autocomplete, encrypted type. I'm discussing action. Action attribute is used to allow the backend support. Backend support. Whatever the data you did, they developed some web application. You had developed some web application like Instagram page. Whenever in the front, we have to just like in common way, like for example, Instagram. Right now, I do use Instagram, but I don't have an account. So before that, I'm opening Instagram. I install in Play Store, then open Instagram app. What asked? It is easy to ask sign up process, right? So whenever you are submitting your details and click it sign up process, then automatically signing is here. Then we open one web page like home web page in the Instagram. So how it open? This is called backend support. Whenever you're clicking and submitting the data, it automatically open one web page. Some action is here. Some action is there. That means some action like your backend support. We have to call in backend support. Just like I opened the code. Unnecessary. You have so in option I have to do in comment. I call this one also. Look like comment this. Open. Open form 2. So username, password, submit. I remove choose qualification also. Comment this. Control plus C. Open web refresh. So some username, password, submit. Whenever I click the submit button, no action is here, right? No action. There is no action. So I give attribute in this inner. So some action is there. Like I give Amazon. I open Amazon action. I want to open whenever I clicking submit button, it open Amazon official website. I give this. Mm, yeah, official website. I give copy. What is this? These are the form attributes. Like that's what they add in only form label form action. Control plus save. Already we have implemented some code. So observe this. Venkat Nagaraj username, password, some password. So now I'm clicking, it automatically Amazon website open. I remove this. Could not find. It might be wrong URL, so I remove this. Amazon. It's a long URL, so open some tutorial, HTML tutorials, for example. Yeah, copy this path. Yeah, action is here. Control plus save. So observe this. I'm entering some user definitions like username and password. Password. I'm clicking submit automatically open the tutorial. It may have been mode editor or dashboard deleted. Oh, yeah, actually, I'm not saving. That's what some error is here. So control plus save. It's save. So I enter the details. Some name like Venkat Nagaraj. Password Anaga 9295. Submit. So when I right now I do submit click button, it automatically open the HTML tutorial. Look at here carefully. Submit. Look like this. Some action is here. It means the attribute doing some action. Now the second one is method. Method is like method is like APIs. APIs generated rated or else server function like that HTTP methods. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocols. Already I have taken a general example like me and my friend talking with each other in the phone call. So some geo server is there. That is the call some protocol, some transfer protocol is there. That means some method is occurred. So we use in this method mostly HTML methods like get method, post method. So these things we discussed in JavaScript. So get to post to in HTML protocol. So you don't worry about that. So I need this method like post control plus C. Observe this. Just a function is there. That's it. So some password is here. Submit. Refreshing only. Just some server. Server is occurring backend to front end support. We are using HTML protocol servers. Then third one is target. Target means we had discuss HTML links classes of target attributes. Target target attributes like blank, self, top, etc. Parent or something. So it means window another open. Like I'm clicking like this right now. I'm submitting some data. It opened like here only. Here only HTML tutor open, right? So we are using attribute, some attributes like self means like this. Parent means one more attribute open in another web browser. So I do implement in this code. So blank means self. That's what I'm taking. One more target. Uh, Blank is like a self. That's what I took. Parent. Control plus save. Observe this. Open. I remove one more. Blank. Control plus save. Like this. One more web page. Already HTML form is here. So one more web open like this. It means the blank. Targets. Like one more. Blank open complete self. Self means automatically open before parent. Whatever the parent did. Like one more function. So these things are going to discuss. And fourth one is autocomplete. We are using this for web application. Web application opened or closed. Close process. Autocomplete equal to on or off. Off. So we use two things only where on and off. That's it. So control plus save. Look like this. So before that we use Amazon website, Amazon VR, right? It's not open because that time we are not saving. That's what error is occurred. So I do initiate Amazon. Amazon website. Control plus C, copy. In it here. Control plus save. Control plus save. I open. So entering name, some password, submit. Look like this. Before the we are not saving. That's what some worker is there. Sorry for this inconvenience. If any URL, it easy to direct the web application. So these things are today's class. Tomorrow class we discuss. Oh my God! Forget to share encrypted. Encrypted like binary code. Binary code transfer ordinary code. Like organized way. We use simply like we use the encrypted attribute to specify how to browser encode the data before it sends to the server with possible value. Like and how the and how the browser encode code the data before it sends before it sends it to the server, like text and plain. Mostly we use text and plain. Encrypted type, multi-part form data. It's like multiple forms and application x double double dot. We use like this, for example. Control plus save. So enter the password, submit. Look like this. So these things today we discuss. Tomorrow class we discuss. Tomorrow class we will discuss input attributes. Not like that. Form controls. Already we discussed the form controls like test imports, checkbox, radio, select file, box, file selects, button controls. So these things we discussed in general way. Tomorrow we discussed form controls. Form controls. Bye bye.